welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I'm so excited because I am skating for my first time in Europe. I am currently in Padova, Italy, and I am going to the cutest seasonal outdoor holiday ice rink. And look at this environment. It is this gorgeous courtyard. There's statues and this gorgeous church in the background. It's stunning. I'm so excited. Skating outside during the holidays is so special. And for me to get to do it in Europe, in Italy, I can't wait.
To get to the ice rink, we walked through the heart of downtown Padova until we got to this beautiful park in the Prato della Valle. It is this oval-shaped park with these statues all the way around it and a water feature that surrounds the park, and every so often a bridge so you could cross the water and get to the center of the park. And in the center of the park is this gorgeous fountain. It is such a nice feature. On the opposite end of the park, as we continued walking, we came across the Basilica of Santa Giustina. And at the base of that beautiful big church was the ice rink. What a picturesque little place. What a gorgeous moment for skating. Skating here is actually free. You just pay for the skate rental. Since I had my own skates, that worked out great for me.
Skate rental is 10 euros, but you can skate for as long as you want. They're not really going to kick you off, so you can make that 10 euros last as long as you'd like.
This is the cutest little square. It's this most European adorable square ever, and it's in front of a church. I'm so excited for this.
This ice rink is 1,536 square meters, and it has a little safety zone on the side, a little fenced off area for if you want to skate a little slower or if you're young and you don't want to be out with all the big skaters. The rink is open from November 25th, 2025 through January 25th, 2026. So there's still a little bit of time left to skate if you want to try this rink. If you want more information about this rink, you can go to turismopadova.it.
I cannot believe I'm here skating in this gorgeous rink in Padova, Italy. I mean, oh my gosh, what an experience. This beautiful square. There's a church. There's literally church bells going on right now. It feels magic. The ice is big and there's room to do all kinds of fun tricks. It is a little bit hard. Well, the ice is quite hard and somewhat uneven, which is normal for an outdoor rink. So it's hard to sort of grab the ice with your blades as you spin or do footwork. But it's really well maintained, and I will take slightly hard ice in this gorgeous environment any day. I mean, this feels like a dream. I'm so grateful. What a great place to skate.